tell me a little bit about your slime kit.
Well, mostly it's slime. It's Elmer's Crunchy Slime Kit.
Yeah.
And it's blue slime. It might come with different colors. They have the beads and the glue. You know why they call it Elmer's glue?
Why?
Because, what does this say? Elmer. What does this say? Elmer. So that's why it's called Elmer's Crunchy Slime.
Tell me a little bit about the Elmer's Crunchy Slime Kit.
So, well, we're making it, and here's the instructions, and the kind of slime it is. It's metallic, crunchy slime.
Oh, wow. And have you ever done that kind of slime before?
No.
All right, so this is going to be a first time?
Yep.
Is that you? Have you always wanted that one?
Yes. Oh, so we're going at the Crunchy Slime Factory. Yeah. So, can you help me open this up? Yeah, come on. I got the huge bag. Let's start by opening it. Over there. Now can I show some glue? Can I? So, this is metallic glue. Look at this. And metallic glue. Yes. Everything that's in the slime pack is made from Elmer's. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to add this in, and then you're going to add that. And when she added in, this is Elmer's metallic whatever. And then, so I'm going to be shaking it really hard when she does that. I'm just gonna be lady. Okay, I should probably go start over here. And let my robot do it. Robots, do it. Come on, robot. Come on. You can do it, robot. Our robots are kind of the things that we can't do. Our robots are going to do. Okay. And we don't need to show the Elmer's glue, right? The Elmer's box anymore. So my other robot put it away. We have a lot of robots. Yep, even one's recording, but she doesn't talk. So don't worry. If you need help, just ask a parent. Yes. So right now I just shake it. Shake. If you're doing this toy, you're looking for the instructions. I really need to shake this pretty good before she's pouring in. When she's pouring in the glue. So you need to shake it super good so that all those crunchy slime balls are gets really in. So and remember, you need to pour it slowly. So I'm just gonna. If you need help, Sissy, you can always ask me as a parent. Yes. Okay, parents, come here. Okay, so we had a little boo-boo, but now we fixed it. So the boo-boo pour it in better. So you need to put it in really slowly. Very slowly. Ooh, that looks good. That's going to have a nice texture. And a little more. It doesn't have to have a little more. And also, I'm going to add like a polka dots. So my robot will just plop. We do it slowly. So we're doing little dots. Keep on doing dots. Plop, plop, plop. And then I'll mix it while you pour it in. Ooh, it's already starting to get like crunchy. And then I'm gonna stir it. going to get all the glue to be inside the activator, which is the balls, because the balls have a lot of the activator. So then we're gonna want to just squirt, 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 squirt. And then you need, if your parents think that you're gonna need to that they don't want you to get your hands dirty, always get gloves. Ask a parent if he doesn't need help. Oh, got it so much. Okay, that's enough, I think, Sissy. Sissy, here. Oh no! Yeah, it's leaking. Okay, so now can I mix? Yep. I'll take out my Now let me just stir it. Thank you. Ooh, it's kind of wet. Ew, gross. Ooh. Ew, that's gross. If we're doing it at a nice place, let's mix together. But let me just mix by myself though. Okay. Let me bring this out. It's a little messy, so put a tablecloth. I'll just be relaxed. Like, we're the robots, and they're just chilling over there. So what we're gonna do is just grab a handful. It's gross. And then we're going to play with it. You guys, this feels good. It's a nice slime to have around, but kinda doesn't feel good. We just have to play with it for a bit, maybe. So gross. Well, I mean, like, I do like how it feels, but like, so sticky and watery. I wish like it wasn't sticky. So, like, I do like the feel, but I just don't want it sticky. Ew. It's really gross. Oh my god. Sticky. The only things that are sticking to my hands are some slime and beads. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just gonna splash. Why not we take this over here? Let's put this down. Yeah, let me. The more we do it. That. Now, like, I like slime. I used to not like the slime that felt really bad, but now it's like so good. It's like I can play with the slime every day. Now it's getting not that sticky. It's just the beads will stick. But like, look, if you just put over here and you guys have the same as us, it's very easy. And it's like you're stretching like this hard, crunchy slime. It's like so much, like, look at my palette. Like, so I'm just gonna be super mad. Hey, what are you doing without us when you're having fun and we're not? I'm just relaxing. Yeah. Okay. Well, mine looks like, it looks like, it's not that ready. I need to smush it a little. There. Me too. Ooh. Join it in. Look, I have goggles. I'm driving in the wind. Okay, and I'm just moving my goggles. Do you want me to get anything for you? Oh yes, can you get me my sunglasses? Let me find them. Then go home and get some. No, I can't. I'll go. Excuse me. I need some glasses too, so get your butt off that chair and go and get some glasses for me. Thank you. Okay. Well then, mine's already good. Me too. Just really good. It's just a wonderful palette. Now it's mine's not sticking anymore. Can I you do mine and I'll do yours. You like mine? Yours is gross. Well, I mean, like, I do like it. I want mine to be like yours. Yeah, like, let's like take apart the. I have a long one. Oh, this is so good. I'll take that piece and oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh, that's really good. I think the slime is ready. So it's like just like smush it or just like play with it like you're just mixing like a ball. I want to like you're like playing it like attaching like to this rolling it up. Yeah, but I really want like a rolling pin. I want to see how if it rolls or like I want to see if it's farting slime. If it can also fart. So let's wait up. Is it pokey? Oh, that's so good! Oh my god. Wait, it's not pokey, but that's fine. It's not going to be pokey. Look at this. But I'm not sure if it's going to be farting slime. Oh, I don't think we can make farting justice with this because it's like not. It's like so hard, but it's so good. Like first, it turns out bad, but then when you just like mix it up so good, it's really good. Like, oh, that's good. There we go. I can make so big. What was that for? What? Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, I think it's time for our LOLs to try it out. So sissy poof. Did you get your butts and go and get those stuff? No. So then do that right now. I'm your boss. Don't act like it. Oh, I got this. Go inside the car. No, I won't. It's marbly. I actually kind of like how it turned out. Hey, Sissy, I have a marbly. I'm a mummy. Beam, 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 beam. Ow. Beam, 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 beam. Ooh, there's some extra. Let's take some of that extra and maybe mix it in. Ah, the tablecloth is trying to get off. It doesn't like the slime. Slime? Hey, tablecloth, get used to it. No, I won't get used to it. Oh, that's good. I want to make it perfect for now. It looks like at the end, you can make a little bubble. But like, if I separate it can't. See, the beads can wash off and it doesn't stain you or stick to you once you just. But look, it's like, and it's not sticky anymore. Only the beads stick to you. And this is like broken soap, and you just like break it hard. It's like when you look at the end, it's like broken. It's like broken soap. Jiggly ball, jiggle it. Oh, play jump rope. Okay, Sissy, I'm going to let's play jump rope. Jump over it. Okay. Ready, set, go. Well, you're not exactly. That's fine. I know, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna do some of those. Right. Tug of war! Wham! You take one end and I'll take the other end. Okay. Okay, the next piece. I'm gonna make this. So good. And then don't forget to click and subscribe. Girls Central. I hope you had a lot of fun. You can try this at home. And yeah, bye. Ask a grown-up to help you.